lang. Tapos tayo. Lamig sa van.
Kailan ba namin eh?
What's up guys? Dito na kami sa jump off point going to Mount Pinatubo and it was organized by Soul Trekkers. And yung binayaran namin is 2,899. 500 pesos deposit and time check, it's 5:11 AM and 6 AM kami mag-start ng trek. So ayan, kasama ko ulit si Mar.
Yes!
Yes, if napanood niyo sa Gada Vlog, siya ulit yung kasama ko ngayon. So we're so excited for what's going to happen today. So
here in Mount Pinatubo.
Yes, see you guys later. Bye!
Yes, we're here at Toblerone Hills.
Yes, Toblerone Hills. At 6:50.
Yes.
So around more than 30 minutes lang yung ano namin, yung 4x4.
Travel.
And we can build this dream together,
standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
And if this world is trekking na kami. Let's go!
Hi guys!
Ito na, papunta na kami sa ano.
Konting hakbang na lang guys.
Likod na.
We survive.
We survive Mount Pinatubo! Oh my gosh!
Yes.
1.5 hour trek.
Such a beautiful disaster indeed.
Yes, indeed.
Yes. Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
Sayang wala ang best Iray.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
Grabe.
Ang ganda! Magical! Welcome to Mount Pinatubo! Isang angulo ka ba? Tumingin. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos ang hirap niya iwan, guys. Sobrang ganda. A beautiful disaster indeed.
Pasabugin ko na lang kaya.
Pasabugin ang pasabugin eh, no?
Para gumanda ng gumanda.
So, ayun guys, ang experience namin going here is may mga tubig-tubig and malamig yung hangin. So, kahit pagpawisan ka, matutuyo ng malamig na hangin. Yes, sobrang ganda dito guys. Beautiful is such an underrated word for this magical view. Sobrang ganda. And we can build this dream together. Ano this world? This dream?
This dream together. Nabago na bakit ba?
Nagpinatubo lang, binago niya na yung lyrics.
What's up, guys?
A beautiful disaster, indeed. Mount Pinatubo.